Iconic supermodels like Cindy Crawford, Naomi Campbell, Claudia Schiffer, Kate Moss, and Linda Evangelista are known for their glamorous and extravagant lifestyles, so it's easy to imagine that their houses would be nothing short of extravagant as well. These women have achieved fame and fortune in the highly competitive world of modeling, and their homes reflect their success and impeccable taste. From sprawling mansions to glamorous penthouses, each home reveals the unique personality and style of its famous occupant. Visitors can marvel at the exquisite interiors, lush gardens, and breathtaking views that make these properties truly one of a kind. Today, you will tour our top 5 futuristic, eccentric, eclectic, romantic, and royal houses that cost a good bunch of money and superb hands that designed interior and exterior furniture. Whose home was listed up to $100 million? We are getting started with Naomi Campbell, famous for her fierce runway presence and striking beauty, who earlier wasn't even imagining she would be living in a futuristic abode that connects ancient architecture style with sustainable technology. Naomi Campbell, Horus Eye. Naomi Campbell is not only known for her successful modeling career, but also for her futuristic and one-of-a-kind houses. One of her most notable dwellings is the Horus Eye house on the Sidya Island in Turkey. The incredible residence was built by Spanish architect Luis de Garrido, who in major specializes in sustainable building. Is it one more home station that consumes sun and water? We are about to find out soon. But before we take a look inside the Horus Eye haven, let's dig deeper to discover why the building was designed in the form of the eye. Turkey's Sidya Island, also known as Cleopatra's Island. The beach of Cleopatra was a gift from Mark Antony to Cleopatra as a token of his love. According to legend, Cleopatra ordered organic sand, specifically from the Red Sea, aboard big ships. Because every sand grain is a perfect sphere, the government must strictly regulate the beach to prevent anyone from removing sand from the property. As a tribute to Cleopatra and ancient Egyptian culture, it only seems fitting that a breathtaking architectural masterpiece should be located on an island with such a rich past. While the design of the house initially is inspired by the ancient Egyptian god Horus, sleek lines and geometric shapes of the overall territory can be compared with Cleopatra's eye with applied makeup. In contrast to several distinctive celebrity residences, the dome-shaped home is entirely self-sufficient, producing its own food, water, and energy. The dome's exterior is made of glass panels that let in sunlight all year long. The main living area's glass flooring allows sunlight to enter as well, warming the basement below. During summertime, internal landscaping and tilted louvers maintain a cool and comfortable temperature. Photovoltaic panels, which use solar electricity to run the entire home or property entirely on its own energy, make up the outer black section of the eye form. Above the main dome, there is a curved installation that serves as an irrigation system for collecting rainfall and mimics an eyebrow. The rainwater is subsequently treated by an on-site biological system for a variety of applications, such as drinking, plumbing, and plant nutrition. The dome-shaped house has no less than 25 bedrooms and 5 lounges. The house has 3 entrances, one each to the north and south, and a third leading to an ankh-shaped windowed balcony. The home consists of 4 stories and a circular patio shaped like an eye. Guest bedrooms, conference spaces, game areas, and home theater rooms are all located in the basement. The interior of the Horus Eye house is just as impressive as its exterior. The house is decorated with luxurious furnishings and finishes, including marble floors, leather furniture, and custom-made lighting fixtures. The living spaces are open and airy, with floor-to-ceiling windows that allow natural light to flood in and provide panoramic views of the sea. While we are 100% amazed by Naomi's powerhouse, we wonder if Cleopatra was to travel in time, what she would say about this type of dome. Cindy Crawford Malibu Home. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, Cindy Crawford was one of the most popular and recognizable supermodels. She walked the runway for designers including Versace, Ralph Lauren, and Dolce & Gabbana, and was featured on the covers of over 500 magazines, including Vogue, Elle, and Cosmopolitan. She was frequently named as one of the world's most beautiful women, well known for the beauty mark, or mole, over her lip. But what about her real estate? What type of living does she prefer? One of the most expensive houses in the state, a cliffside Malibu estate that previously belonged to the supermodel, has just gone up for sale for $99.5 million. In 2018, Crawford fetched $45 million for the house. Sitting behind gates on more than 3 acres of well-maintained grounds above El Sol Beach in Malibu, the property is genuinely hidden. The neighborhood's few houses are the only ones with access to the exclusive route that descends to the white sand beach. The stunning architecture of the house highlights the stunning views of the coastline. The house is surrounded by tall trees, including palms, which give it a calm, natural vibe. This spacious 2-story Mediterranean home has a crimson roof. The main level features a great space that unites the living room, dining area, den, and gourmet kitchen, which is all part of an elegant and spacious floor plan. Sliding glass doors that go all the way to the ceiling open onto a wraparound deck with a campfire and display breathtaking views of the ocean, beach, and coastline. The large master suite has 2 spa-like baths, a walk-in closet, and a sitting area, in addition to a fireplace. One of the bedrooms has a separate entrance, bathroom, and kitchen, while the other bedrooms have private bathrooms. The home is completed with a cinema room and a vaulted ceiling gym. While Cindy and Randy have decided to get rid of the on-the-shore beauty, they still have an impressive real estate portfolio that includes a villa in Los Cabos, Mexico, next door to Randa's best friend and business partner, George Clooney. Celebrities have a great deal of affinity for the city. Leonardo DiCaprio, Miley Cyrus, Jack Nicholson, Paris Hilton, Britney Spears, and Cher are just a handful of the famous people who have called it home. Claudia Schiffer's Royal Mansion. While we all know Claudia Schiffer as a world-renowned supermodel, have you ever imagined what type of house would she choose as her full-time residence? Let's take a sneak peek tour of her majestic family mansion once built for royals. Schiffer and her husband, English film director Matthew Vaughn, immediately fell in love with the historic Tudor mansion built in the shape of an H in honor of King Henry VIII, which owes its name to Queen Elizabeth I, who was nonplussed at being served cold ham when she stayed there and thus christened it Coldham Hall. Unbelievably, the previous owners didn't recognize the model, yet months later finally sold the house. Their 3 children, Casper, Clementine, and Cosima, live with them full-time in the greenish Tudor mansion with 14 bedrooms. The happy family is accompanied by dogs, cats, sheep, pigs, and tortoise, where the last was a present from Vaughn shortly after Schiffer and Vaughn first went on a blind date. The mighty abode is all about history, and as Claudia recalls, they weren't making fast decisions on buying new furniture or making renovations. Out of respect for its rich past, a family of 5 has adopted a slow and thoughtful approach to decorating the house. They have brought the most important heirlooms with great memories, the drawing room from her childhood home, and a shield with Matthew's family arms in the Great Hall. It was time to make walls filled with patterns. Almost all guest bedrooms have traditional wall patterns, such as orchard print wallpaper in one room and tree of life fabric in another. At Schiffer's demand, a bedroom was covered in Galbraith and Paul Crimson Lotus wallpaper from floor to ceiling to give the impression of a pavilion. The art that covers the walls creates a great contrast with classic furniture. Schiffer and Vaughan have gathered a remarkable collection of pieces by modern masters like Damien Hirst, Candida Hofer, and Andreas Gursky. Apart from having enough rooms to be considered a boutique hotel, Coldham Hall is deliberately built to be resistant to both children and animals. However, the finest part is outdoor sports like tennis, croquet, swimming, and long dog walks. The venue is nearly always packed with visitors and kids on the weekends. People come to the Great Hall at their own leisure to dine or read the newspaper. Kate Moss's London home. While Kate Moss is often seen strutting down runways and gracing the covers of magazines, little is known about personal spaces. However, glimpses into Moss's world have recently surfaced, revealing her rarely seen eclectic London house. Located in the heart of London, Moss's home is a reflection of her unique personality and eclectic taste. The house is filled with an array of vintage furniture, bold de Gournay wallpapers, and quirky decorative items that showcase Moss's keen eye for design. She loves mixing old and new things from different eras and took an active participation in home renovation with interior designer and former personal assistant Kate Grove. The wallpaper in Kate's home is by far its most striking feature. She collaborated with the bespoke wallpaper company de Gournay to create hand-painted wallpaper panels that reflected her favorite time of day, which is dusk. The result of a careful design process, Anemones in Light, depicts cascading blooms overlapping shards of solar radiance that later became part of de Gournay's permanent collection. Her vintage crystal chandelier from James Worrell Antiques and freestanding clawfoot bathtub is framed by the pattern of flowers known as Anemones of Light, featuring silvery blue tones. The supermodel entertains visitors in the bathtub, which is undoubtedly her favorite space in the house. Kate adores those vintage films with opulent bathrooms and chaise lounges. Her birthday parties always end with hanging out in the Chesterfield. It's entertaining, cozy, and has a record player. Smelly items like lotions and potions make the bathroom party go on. A wall of framed black and white pictures features images of David Bowie, Elizabeth Taylor, Elvis Presley, and Moss, with Alexander McQueen, who was her close friend. There's also a mirrored vanity filled with vintage perfume bottles. The windows are decorated with embroidered sari-made silver curtains. The mix of textures in Moss's home adds another layer of interest and depth to the space. Luxurious fabrics like velvet and silk mingle with rustic materials like reclaimed wood and weathered metals, creating a tactile experience that invites you to touch and feel each surface. While Moss may be known for her glamorous exterior, her home gives us a glimpse into the iconic supermodel's more personal and intimate side. Linda Evangelista, NYC Penthouse. Linda Evangelista, the iconic and timeless supermodel who dazzled on more than 700 magazine covers and was the face of Revlon and Versace, is known for her impeccable sense of style and sophistication. Her West Chelsea penthouse is a true reflection of her refined taste and luxurious lifestyle. Situated in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in New York City, she was enjoying incredible views of both the Hudson River and Highline Park. But now, this stunning super luxe penthouse can be yours only for $9.45 million. let's get into more details. West Chelsea dreamlike penthouse in an amazing combination of 4-bedroom and 2 bathrooms, featuring a sun-drenched, flexible floor plan and an extensive private terrace atop. The Spears building was built along an elevated railroad track and is a highly sought-after full-service condominium with a lovely park on one side. This spacious home has soaring, recessed, lighting-studded ceilings that reach 13 feet above polished concrete floors, exposed brick, and large windows facing the north, east, and south. The magnificent great room, which is warmed by a wood-burning fireplace and has an enormous skylight above it, is accessible from the elegant entrance. Butcher block counters and stainless steel equipment, including a sub-zero refrigerator, have been installed in the kitchen area. Nestled into a corner, the main bedroom boasts a bathroom, complete with a glass shower and soaking tub. Adjacent to the room is an amazing closet featuring numerous shelves and lockers for clothing, shoes, and bags, as well as a window and a seating area. Retractable glass doors lead to a private terrace with views of the city and the water. A live-in manager, a bike room, many common rooms, a full-time door attendant, and concierge services are just a few of the facilities that come standard with a building of this class. As the Canadian-born supermodel is ready to move on from this historic penthouse, we are on the standout for the news of her new home. Will it be one more loft or a mansion in the NYC suburbs? We'll soon find out. If you have liked this edition of Supermodel's unique and even futuristic houses, like Naomi Campbell's Horus Eye, share your thoughts with us. Should we continue to create more videos like this one? Give us some ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel.